2-seater run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I make videos on my 2018 Mustang GT and my 2008 BMW 335i. So for today's video, we're gonna be going to a meet. Somebody posted on Instagram that there's a Mustang only meet here in my city. So we're gonna pull up, see how many cars show up, all that stuff. So right now I'm at the gas station. The homie Diego's car's right there, and then we got the homie Eric behind us. So yeah, we're all gonna head out there right now. So I'll pick up the camera as soon as we, get the cruise going and we get to the spot. So yeah, guys, see you guys in a little bit. Here's the lineup so far. The vet back there, Zo6. It's a nice color. And then GT500. Looks clean. Yeah, I think we might still be waiting for some more people, and then we'll head out. Pulled up here to the spot. Clean. Yeah, my clutch is slipping bad. Gotta fix that and then get some more runs with them. Gotta run with the C6. I think he just said it has an intake only. We'll see if we can get some more runs with some of these guys after, but yeah, my clutch is fucking up. Clean lineup though. I guess now they're gonna do some dig racing. Who you guys got real quick? The red Mustang or the white Mustang? I think they're gonna do one more. The rematch. Red car got that one. Red car got it again. This is probably not the best freaking spot to be doing it too. It's kind of like dirt.
That was way closer. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for the video. Just headed home now. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.